You shoot on the second one, you shoot on the last one, okay? Yep, there you go. Put it inside. Yep, and forward. Keep it there. Put it inside. Turn it forward. Now smack it. There you go. Keep it there. Don't pull anything else yet. You ready? Put your ears and your eyes in. Okay. Take the back of it. Your thumb's here. Thumb's there. Pull it back and just slingshot it. There you go. Cool, cool. Yep. Okay, first safety thing, when you do it, you put it in, smack it, okay? Got it good? Okay. Don't take the safety off yet. Okay, take the safeties off. Push that up. Okay, get a good grip on it. Fingers straight off trigger. Pull your hammer back. Don't do anything yet, pull your hammer back. Pull back. Okay. Good grip, solid grip, fingers straight off trigger. Aim your target, both hands. A little tighter here. And cross these. There you go. See a little tighter? Flat top to flat top, okay? Set it in there. See that little red dot in the middle. So use two hands. Second hand. Take us in here. Go back, push down. Okay? Flat top, make sure it's in the center, okay? Now lean back, lean forward, lean into it. Come back a little bit, step back a little bit. Okay. Lean forward, lean into it. Okay. Load and fire, take one shot. Good job. Go ahead, continue. Good job, you're fine. Good job. Take your time, relax, pull it slow. Lean into it. Don't lean back. Lean into it, don't lean back. Good job. Take time. Slow and easy, let it surprise you. Let it surprise you. Take time. Good job. So lean into it. So jump a little bit. So go ahead and fire when you're ready. Front sights. All flat and even. Good. Remember your sights. Keep your sights flat and even. Front sight. Be sure flat and even. Take your time. Let it surprise you. Nice shot. Perfect. Good group. Take time. Keep that direction. Good, take time, front sights, you're good. There you go. Front sights. Take the magazine out. Good shot. There we go, this is Gavin's. Good shot group, look at that. And I think there's a couple of center ones in there. That's beautiful.
This one right there.
Yep, he's got a few up here and a little just slightly high, not bad. Here's a jig back on it. That's pretty good. We'll go over to Coley's over here. This is him shooting 40 SIG, right?
40. Yep.
Cool, 40 SIG. That's really, look at that. Good center, 10 ring. He's got a few high ones, but not bad. That's really good for second time shooting. Amazing.
Especially a big gun.
What do you guys think? Gavin, what's going through your mind? Stand still, you're getting too close. Okay, Gavin, what's going through your mind?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Okay, was that English or what was that?
It was awesome.
Awesome.
It was English.
And what about you over here, Cole? What's going through your mind?
Fun.
Fun? Okay, how about like 3 words? Let's go for 3 words. How you feeling?
Amazed.
We got one. Come on, 2 more. We can do it.
Powerful.
Cool.
And a bit fearful.
Bit fearful. Awesome. You guys did great today, and I don't know. See you guys later.